Welcome to your next culinary adventure where we transform simple ingredients into an extraordinary dish. Today, we're making a mouth-watering chicken biryani, rich with flavors and aromas that will transport you straight to culinary heaven. We're starting with the finest basmati rice, succulent chicken, and a symphony of spices including chili powder, cumin, coriander, and more to create a melody in your mouth. First, let's bathe our basmati rice until the water runs clear, soaking it to perfection, setting the stage for our biryani masterpiece. Drain the rice and cook it gently, watching as it fluffs up, eager to soak in the flavors we're about to introduce. In a sizzle of vegetable oil, our shallots, onions, garlic, and ginger dance together, laying the foundation of our dish's aromatic base. As the chicken joins the fray, each strip gets coated in our vibrant spice blend, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. A dollop of yogurt, a sprinkle of sugar, and a handful of raisins add a creamy sweetness, contrasting beautifully with the spices. Now, the magic happens as our rice meets the chicken mixture, embarking on a slow simmer to marry the flavors into a dish that's pure bliss. Garnish with our golden shallots and onions, and there you have it, a chicken biryani that's not just food, but a journey for your senses. Dive into this delectable dish and let your taste buds celebrate. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more flavorful adventures. Discover the joy of creating your own delectable chicken biryani at home. So grab your apron and let's create some magic in the kitchen together.